Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwala. Today we will be talking about the conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in Capricorn, in an earthy sign Capricorn. I have written so many articles. Already, the first article was written in September 2019 for the conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn when it took place for the first time. Now it is again taking place today in an earthy sign. And let me read out the article which I will be discussing. Jupiter and Saturn conjunction after 20th November 2020. What it has up its sleeves. So basically, Jupiter is the ninth lord of the natural zodiac and Saturn is the 10th lord of the natural zodiac. Now, Jupiter, as far as the natural zodiac is concerned, Jupiter owns two houses, the 9th house and the 12th house, and Saturn owns the 10th and the 11th house. As the 11th lord, he is Vadak, and as the 10th lord, he is also the 10th lord. So, when the Vadak and the lord of the 12th get together, then the Raj Yoga for Aries, the natural zodiac, is broken, and this is not a good conjunction. This is not a good conjunction, and this conjunction takes place every 20 years. Now, supposing the conjunction is taking place today, so after 20 years again it will take place in a retrograde triplicates. So that is what I am discussing. It will take place in Virgo. After 20 years it will take place in Virgo. Then after 20 years it will take place in Taurus. Then after 20 years again it will take place in Capricorn. So that is how things goes. And the conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in the sign Capricorn will take place on the 20th. The conjunction is most important in mundane astrology and takes place every 20 years. Now, the countries signified by Capricorn as stipulated by Brahmila is parts of India, especially North India, Punjab, Albania, Bosnia, Bulgaria, Greece, Mexico, parts of Iran, Afghanistan, Bangladesh. Cities are Oxford, Brussels. Hence, for all these countries, the conjunction is taking place in the ascendant and will be influenced. These countries will be influenced the most. Now, US Varamira has allotted a Gemini sign to US. Now, this conjunction is going to take place in the 6th house of the foundation chart and in the 8th from Gemini. So, it is not good for even US. Now, significations of Jupiter, we all know significations of Jupiter and Saturn. I need not explain here. Then I have written so many articles, I am discussing all those articles. I have written n number of articles for coronavirus, Donald Trump, and the economy of the globe. Now, it is believed that as per Bharat Samhita, that when Jupiter and Saturn meet, especially in the sign Capricorn and earthy sign, it is a sign when the economy will suffer. There will be, it is just like some renovation taking place. So when a renovation takes place, there is a break and then there is a rise. So it shows that first there will be a break and then there will be a rise. Now this rise will only take place when Jupiter overtakes Saturn. Jupiter will overtake Saturn after the 5th of April 2021. But when it goes in the sign Pisces, only then the economy, we could see some economy reviving, because Saturn is also going to go in Aquarius and then fall back in Capricorn very shortly on 30th April 2022 and till July, and then it will go back in Aquarius. So till Jupiter crosses Saturn, as far as the signs are concerned, when Jupiter goes in Pisces, that will be a time when there will be revival of the global economy. The global economy will start reviving. But as far as the astrology goes, financial astrology is a very difficult subject, and I'm only going as per whatever texts are available. That this Jupiter and Saturn conjunction, and this Jupiter and Saturn conjunction, first Jupiter will be Vargotam from today. It will be Vargotam till 8th of December, and a planet which is Vargotam is treated as if it is in a Mool Trikona sign. But after the 8th of December, when the solar eclipse takes place, which is visible in Latin America, there is a planetary war immediately after the 14th of December, after the solar eclipse. And as per Matsya Puran classic for omens, if planetary war takes place within the 7 days of the eclipse, then there is lot of untoward happening. There can be earthquake, there can be diseases. So I would, as far as disease is concerned, I would say coronavirus can take a very ugly shape, because Jupiter is also Karka for Jiva, and Mars, which is a Karka for cure, is also fallen. So December month would be the worst month for coronavirus. The number of cases will spike, the number of cases will surge. Although the vaccines, it is a good time for the vaccine to come, as already predicted, because Jupiter will be Vargotam, and it will be treated as if it is in a Mool Trikona sign, and Jupiter deals with Jiva. So from 20th of November to 8th of December is a very good time if vaccine is launched, and that is probably what is happening. And the next good time is after 24th of December, when Mars goes in the sign Aries. You know, in the chart, when we have to see disease, we see if a planet is in fiery sign, if Mars is in a fiery sign in the D6, then we say that the disease can be cured easily. It's very good for cure, especially in a fiery sign 159, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So when Mars goes in the sign Aries, it will be a good time for cure. But it does not say that coronavirus will end. You know, we will get some relief in the form of vaccines. But until unless Jupiter crosses Saturn, we may not get any major relief from coronavirus. But we'll get a relief from the vaccines. So mind you this is very important. And the spike in the coronavirus, as we have seen in US, it is jumping, it is surging like anything, and it is even surging in India, and especially in Delhi, we have already seen. So December month will be the worst month for coronavirus. So we have to take care, we have to wear the mask, and we have to keep distance, as the government is also propagating. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say. That the other parameter is that there will be a cluster of planets in the sign Capricorn, and Capricorn sign is treated as a watery sign. And there will be a planetary war between Jupiter and Venus also in the lunation chart of the 12th February 2020. Now this is not good, and as per Mur Chitram, the mundane classic, it says it is bloodshed. So and the sign Capricorn is allotted to India. So friends, this planetary war in the sign Capricorn is not good, and it indicates that the neighbors, China and Pakistan may take an aggressive stance, and there may be a brick batting between India and China and Pakistan. So I don't want to, I've already mentioned this, I've written so many articles on this, and I've already mentioned this date, that this date is very critical. And why I'm talking about the economy is that there will be a break in the economy especially after the 14th of December. Right from 20th, the market may not cross a certain limit, and slowly the market will pull back. Why I'm talking about this is because India is also running the dasha of Moon Saturn, which is forming a Vish Yoga in the 3rd house. So friends, and this dasha is going to last till July. So till July we are going to face a lot of issues, and till 5th of April 2021 also coronavirus will be in a full form, although vaccines will be available and people will get relief in the form of vaccines. So this is what all I was talking about. And then the gold prices, when Jupiter goes in the sign Capricorn today, probably at 1:30 or some odd time, the gold will have spikes, and gold will rise till Jupiter goes in the sign Pisces. So that is Pisces, it will go on the 17th of April 2022. So till 17th of April 2022, by and large, we can say that Jupiter will have a surge in the prices of gold. And the coming 3 months will be most phenomenal for gold to rise, because why I'm talking about 3 months is we're talking about December, January, February, and then there may be a little stagnancy in the prices, and then after Jupiter goes in Aquarius, there may be little improvement in the prices. Little downward trend, but the downward trend would only come when Jupiter goes in the sign Pisces. So, and it may touch $2,100, as already I have pointed out in my earlier articles. And then as far as the crude oil is concerned, now Saturn is the Karka for crude oil. Until it remains in the sign Capricorn, the prices will remain low. So we have talked about the economy, we have talked about gold, we have talked about the crude oil, we have talked about Donald Trump. Donald Trump will not leave any stone unturned, and he will create a mockery of the presidential elections in US, and he is running the dasha of Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu. So Rahu is manipulative in his 10th house. So till the dasha, Pratantra dasha of Rahu is there, which is till March 2021, he may keep on making a mockery of the elections. He can go to any extent, but after that the dasha is not supporting him, because then the dasha will be Jupiter, Saturn, Jupiter, and Jupiter is a fallen planet in his chart, placed in the second house, is most precarious. It says that if a fallen planet is placed in the second house, it even works as a marka. So, and it will bring him bad, because it aspects the 10th house by 9th aspect. It will bring him bad name and fame. And also the Antardasha is of Saturn, which is the debilitation lord of Jupiter. So friends, he is not going to win. He is not going to add any flags in his cap, and rather it will bring him a bad name, and he is going to hit his own foot with an axe. So friends, and another thing is also that this conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, as I've already been mentioning, that it is not good whenever the elections are taking place in US. Even just before the elections, if Jupiter and Saturn are meeting, and just after the election, Jupiter and Saturn are meeting, it says that the ruling president will die in office. He will not be able to complete his full term. So please note my predictions. My previous predictions were that from 10th of November to 18th of November, there will be a crack in the stock and financial markets. But I find that because the coronavirus vaccines have been developed, so the market is taking a positive trend on that, and that's why the market have not cracked. But friends, after Jupiter meeting Saturn, there is every possibility that the market may crack. And it is already, and I've already mentioned that before the markets burst, the balloon will become big. So the big balloon is going to burst. It may not burst in a day, but definitely after 14th of December, you will see it for yourself. So this is all just I wanted to discuss about the economy, about the gold prices, about the crude oil prices, and Donald Trump and the US. India is in a precarious condition because the dasha is of Moon's Saturn. It's forming a Vish Yoga, and every possibility that there may be a recession and a global recession as well, because US is also not having the planetary positions are not conducive for US, and especially we all have seen what mockery Donald Trump is making of the presidential elections. So this is all I just wanted to discuss in this article. Thank you very much, friends, for listening to me, and have a good day. Bye bye.